Aero Legends pride themselves on their roster of highly skilled and experienced pilots flying their aircraft. Pilots are carefully selected based on unparalleled experience on the aircraft to make flying experiences as exciting, enjoyable and safe as possible. Across their roster of world-renowned pilots, they have over 3,000 hours in Spitfires and a total of over 40,000 hours in the skies. That's over 4 years in the air. Flight Lieutenant Anthony Parkinson, MBE, known as Parky, joined the RAF at the age of 18. He became the first pilot to gain 1,000 hours flying the Eurofighter Typhoon and has also flown over 1,000 hours on the F-4 Phantom and the Tornado F-3, for which he was a display pilot in 2000 before joining the Red Arrows for the 2001 to 2004 season flying the Hawk. Parky also flew the F-16 for 3 years with the Royal Netherlands Air Force and has over 6,500 flying hours in total. Parky has been flying with the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight since 2007 as the operations officer and one of the fighter pilots. Flight Lieutenant Anthony Parkinson was awarded the MBE in recognition for his work on the Typhoon and the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. Parky is now the main pilot for all Spitfire operations with Aero Legends. He is featured here saddling up Aero Legends Spitfire St George at North Weald, one of the airfields handpicked by Aero Legends for its facilities and legacy as a Battle of Britain airfield known as RAF Station RAF North Weald. North Weald Airfield was also an important fighter station during the First World War. During the interwar period, the RAF built large hangars and accommodation for the RAF personnel. North Weald played an important part in the air defence strategy for the United Kingdom during the Second World War. Initially, Hawker Hurricanes were deployed, which saw action over the beaches of Dunkirk and played a frontline role in the Battle of Britain. In 1940, 2 American Eagle squadrons moved into North Weald supplied with Spitfires. A couple of years later, Norwegian squadrons were reassigned to the airfield, and ever since, the veterans have revisited the airfield to remember and to pay tribute to those who did not return to a free Norway. After the war, jet fighter squadrons were based at North Weald. The sight of de Havilland Vampire fighters in the West Essex skies was commonplace from 1949. The last frontline combat unit, No. 111 Squadron, RAF, Flying Hawker Hunters, left North Weald in 1958. 111 became renowned when its famous Black Arrows aerobatic team executed a stunning mass loop together with other RAF Hunters. The spectacular stunt with 22 Hunters took place at Society of British Aircraft Constructors show at Farnborough in 1958. They set a world record for the greatest number of aircraft looped in formation and remains unbroken to this day. North Weald Airfield now offers passengers year-round flying capability from its 2 long tarmac runways, iconic original World War II infrastructure, and spectacular views over London immediately after takeoff. Spitfire TD314, which Aero Legends named as St George, was built at Castle Bromwich in late 1944 and fitted with a Merlin 70 as a high-level fighter.